This question is under work, energy and power. So uzokhumbula ke sine formulas. Formula ye work done by any force nansiya. Then isibene formula net work done is equal to the change in kinetic energy. We also have the formula for work done by non-conservative force, change in EK plus change in EP. Okay, we also have the formulas for kinetic energy and gravitational potential energy. We also have the one for the principle of conservation of mechanical energy, then as well as for power. So we have the one for power as the work done, the rate at which work is done. You can also calculate a power by using the formula for average power, usually for motor xa isebenza pha, there is a power, average power, then we calculate the average power. But to make it easy, lena uyisebenzisa when you are given ixesha, which means when you are given ixesha you are going to calculate first the work done by a force. Then this one uyisebenzisa when you are given a constant velocity or average velocity, which means when uzoqala ukhangele the force ekuthethwa ngayo pha. So ihamba kanjalo. If you are given the speed, you use this one. If you are given a time, you use this one for power. Now we have this question. It's only 10 marks. I will quickly do it. But a lift arrangement comprises of a motor, electric motor, a cage, and its counterweight. The counterweight moves vertical downwards. The counterweight moves vertical downwards as the cage moves upwards. The cage and the passengers, or the cage and the counterweight, move at the same constant speed. So the word constant speed is clearly work done. The net work done there is equal to 0. From the formula, it's net work done is equal to the change in kinetic energy. So when they say constant speed, which means there is no change in kinetic energy, meaning that if awukho change kinetic energy, so they are kinetic energy is 0 because there is no change in kinetic energy. The net force is also equal to 0. Acceleration is also equal to 0 because of a keyword vanilla phrase it constant speed. Then the cage carrying passengers moves vertical upwards at a constant speed, covering 60 meters in 3 minutes. The counterweight has a mass of 870, and the total mass of the cage and the passengers is 1,100 kgs. The electric motor provide the power needed to operate the lift. So if we can draw a free body diagram here, in this system we have a weight of the cage. There is a weight of the cage, then we have a weight of the counterweight. There is a weight of the counterweight there. Remember, they say they move at constant speed. So we can separate upper land into two objects. So it's been a cage and a counterweight. It's just been a free body diagram as it two. It's been a weight of the cage. Then it's been an arm part. There is a force which is called tension. Then there is a weight here. So there is also a force by a motor. There is a force by a motor there. So I would say force applied by a motor. Okay. emoto. Weight, yeah, there is a weight for a counterweight. Then there is a tension there. There is a tension in this string. Okay, so ime kanjalo ke ngoyinto yethu pha, but because they say it moves at constant speed, which means this tension is equal to the weight. They are balanced in opposite direction, constant speed. So they are balanced apart. The tension is equal to the weight. So if usingake sijonge in terms of work energy and power, the angle for theta there here, since isehla le object, izoba ngu-0, for tension izoba ngu-180 apha i-angle. Then if usiza kweli cala, remember this one is moving up, which means i-weight yakhona izoba no-180, then ezi zoyi-2 zona zibe no-0 degrees. Let's quickly go to the questions. The first question here says, calculate the work done by a gravitational force of the cage, which means we are going to look at this free body diagram. Remember I said the angle for work done for weight pi, so isebenzisa pha ngubani 180. So the formula, it work done is equal to a force times delta x cos theta. Then since sithetha nge-weight ke ngu-up le ndawo ye-force ndizofaka i-weight. Remember i-weight is mg, so nditsho ndisubstitute. The work done will be equal to the force, ithini mass ye-counterweight, it's 1100 times times g, which is 9,8 times delta x. For weight you always use the height or delta y, so they say zihambe 60 meters, so sino 60 pha, then cos bani ke ngopha, then so it was no 180 degrees. Then we press the calculator there, 3 marks here. So the following question says calculate the counterweight, the work done by counterweight on a cage. So we want the work done by weight. Remember i-cage iyenyuka, then i-counterweight pha kwi-cage itsalele ezantsi nge-tension ebesithe i-tension ilingana ne-weight pha. So we are going to calculate the work done by the weight of the counterweight. Okay, let's hope that it makes sense. So masiye ke ngoku. So work done, remember this is for the counterweight, is equal to a mass of the counterweight is 870 times g is 9,8 times the distance is the same, cos, but the angle now is 0. So the work done by the counterweight on the cage, sitsho siyifumane ke ngopha, work done by counterweight on the cage. So sicofe i-calculator, we get, sitsho siye kwenye ke ngoku question. So silapha kule ugqibela i-question, this one. Remember this is for the counterweight, this one is the weight of the cage. Okay, so ithini ke ngoleni question lapha ezantsi, calculate the power required by the motor to operate. So we are looking for the power required by the motor to operate in 3 minutes. Now let's do this question. Go back to the free body diagrams that we have. I will just draw it here, one of them. So i-cage binala force inyukayo, which is a tension. Remember i-tension iyafana kwenye object nakwenye object, then sibe nala force by a motor, then we have the weight, or that is the cage. So the question says calculate the average power to operate the lift arrangement in 3 minutes. So I said if you are given ixesha, the formula that you are going to use yile inexesha, work done divided by delta t. So we do have delta t, but we are looking for work done by a motor on the cage. So this is the force exerted by a motor on the cage. Remember, since ihamba constant speed, we said net force, the net work done, the acceleration, they are equal to 0. If singajonga apha ke ngoku sine work done by tension plus work done by weight of the cage plus work done by this force of a motor is equal to 0. Now, sine work done esizibale 2, the work done by weight of a cage, the work done by weight of the counterweight. So remember I said tension iyalingana kuzo zoyi-2 objects, which means the work done by counterweight is the same as tension layer. That is a tension force, work done by tension. So sesinayo, it's 511 560 plus work done by weight, it's negative 646 800 plus work done by the motor, which is equal to 0. Let's zoyisebenzisa work done by motor after siyifume. All right, then we press the calculator, take this one and substitute to the formula of a power. So I have 135,240 divided by ixesha, the time. The time is 3 minutes, which means sizobeka up 3 minutes, then we convert 3 minutes ngokumultiply 62 seconds, then sibe sigqibile ke ngokuleya equation. Then we press the calculator, we get is the average power. Noba it average, but it's a power. We are a calculator ke ngoku using a formula ezowenzela lula. In this case, now that you are given the time, we use this one. But you can also get the average power by using the forces. Sisebenzise leya ye-forces power, will get the same answer, but izothatha ixesha. Thank you. Let's meet kwenye ivideo. Thank you.